Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Tu. This video is to talk about feeling happy. What does that mean? Oftentimes, we will express our feeling whenever we are happy. We will just simply say, I feel very happy, I'm very happy. The question is, beside happy, can we replace it with other words or other expression or even an idiom? We have plenty of choices in terms of expressing how happy we are. Let's have a look. The first word that we can use it to replace happy. Happy basically is an adjective. The first word that we can use is also an adjective, which is delighted. Delighted has the similar meaning as happy. When something good happens, you can always use delighted instead of happy. For example, I am delighted to see you. She was delighted to receive the good news. After learning delighted, we have another choice of words, which is thrill. Thrill, how do we make sentence with thrill? It's easy. For example, she was thrilled at the ideas of going to the Disneyland. Thrill, you can also use it in such a way, thrill to bits, thrill to pieces, to express that you are very excited and happy. For example, she was thrilled to pieces with her birthday present. She was thrilled to bits with her birthday present. Next, we can also use overjoyed. Overjoyed can be used to replace happy. I am overjoyed to receive that amazing news. She was overjoyed when she met her friends. Isn't it easy to just replace happy by using delighted, thrilled, and overjoyed? Basically, they share the similar meaning. So when it comes to speaking or writing, and when we want to express our feeling, we can try other words. Last but not least, there are two idioms which I would like to talk about. They can replace happy. For example, the first idiom, which is on top of the world. I felt on top of the world when I won the championship. The second idiom will be over the moon. I was over the moon when I got the championship. In conclusion, we have 5 different expressions which is similar to happy that we can easily use them to replace happy when we are expressing our feeling, when we are expressing our happiness. They are 3 adjectives, which are delighted, thrilled, and overjoyed. And also there are another 2 idioms, which are on top of the world and over the moon. So next time when you are talking about your feeling being happy, you can try to use either of them. Or when you are writing in your diaries, messaging your friends, writing a stories, remember to use them as well instead of using happy. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or any suggestion, welcome to leave a comment. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.